Hi guys, welcome back to my A2 German grammar course. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, invest some minutes into your German grammar skills. We will continue with a new topic today, and not the easiest one. Let's check it out. The topic is the declination of adjectives, which doesn't sound so hard, and actually it's not, but it is learning by heart. Couple of things. To make this learning by heart easier, it's always good to understand the concept. The more we understand, the less we have to learn by heart. So, when we talk about adjectives, it's always important to see their function. When we have die Erdbeeren schmecken süß. The strawberries taste sweet. Sweet has an adverbial function. How do they taste? Sweet. This is the first category. Let's say it like this. With verbs, they have an adverbial function. The second one is a function as a predicate. I hope in English it's the same. I'm 99% sure. In German, we say Prädikativ. What do we mean? Die Erdbeeren sind süß. The strawberries are sweet. This happens with the verb to be. So this means more or less that it's a copulative verb. Another one is werden, to become. But just remember it with to be for now. This is called Prädikativ. Both of them, as you can see here, have no ending. It doesn't matter if we say die Erdbeere, singular, ist süß or die Erdbeeren sind süß. It doesn't matter. No ending necessary. This is why many students, when they get nervous, they say it in an easy way like this, because it doesn't need much changing. Let's try a little exercise. Here we have some adjectives, and you can put them into the answers for the following questions. Let's read the example. Wie schmeckt der Apfel? Schmeckt sauer. How does the apple taste? He tastes sour. And of course, not that it really matters, I must admit, but it is adverbial. If you want to learn it the right way, you can do it, but it doesn't matter that much. Okay, do the exercise and we'll correct everything in a second. Wie ist der Film? Ist spannend. Wie ist das Wetter in Madrid? Es ist gut. Wie findest du das Zimmer? Ich finde es preiswert. Wie spricht Peter? Spricht schnell. Wie gefällt dir Marias Kleid? Es gefällt mir gut. Of course, here we have some difficulties with dative and accusative, right? Things we learned before. This isn't even the topic today, but if you are unfamiliar with something, you made a mistake, you can check out my full grammar courses and then you can fresh up your dative and accusative skills. Now we have a third function of adjectives, which are called attributiv. Let's read the example here. Das ist ein neuer Computer. Das ist der neue Computer. This is attributive because we give an characteristic, an attribute, in front of a noun to describe it further. And how could it be different? We have endings here. If it is in front of a noun, we have to change it. Let's check out the examples, and now we have to see, is it accusative, is it dative or nominative? Is it plural, is it singular? Is it definite or indefinite? Das ist ein alter Wagen. So this is indefinite and nominative, because it is das ist, A is B. Ist das dein alter Wagen? Is this your old car? Here we have possession and Nominativ. Next one. Frischer Orangensaft ist gesund. So, this is Nominativ. Kauft er frische Tomaten? This is Akkusativ and plural. Does he buy fresh tomatoes? If you wanted to say, does he buy a fresh tomato, you would say, kauft er eine frische Tomate? Just giving you this option also so that you can see how much it changes in the ending. Der neue Computer von Peter ist teuer. The new computer of Peter or from Peter is expensive. We could also say ein neuer Computer ist teuer. But keep in mind the endings. Er arbeitet mit dem neuen Computer. This is Dativ. He works with the new computer. Sie kauft keinen alten Wagen. She doesn't buy an old car. Sie kommt mit ihrem neuen Auto. She comes with her new car. Mit needs dative. The dative is here. And for the second declined thing, in this case the adjective, we have en. So now you think, how can I learn all this? How can I know what is what? You have to trust the process. I wouldn't just let you jump into the cold water without a plan. And this is it. We have two tables here, table 1 and table 2. Let's read the first example. Mit warmer Milch, with warm milk. We know, okay, mit needs dative, die Milch, it's female. And now we go to dative, female, and we have mit warmer Milch. Because beverages are sometimes without plural, sometimes we don't have this option. I want to give you another example. Das Wetter, the weather. And we want to say with nice weather, schön. Okay, so we check out now das Wetter. Of course, we want to say again mit, which is dative. We know it is das Wetter, it's neutral. And now we have it here. So the correct answer, mit schönem Wetter. With nice weather, he can learn better, or whatever you want to say. Of course, it must fit into the context. Mit schönem Wetter. And this is how you can find the endings.